Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to use the action button on your iPhone. Alright, so if you have an iPhone 17, this is the 17 Pro Max. I'll be showing you how to use the action button. So of course the action button is this one here, and by default what the action button does, if you go ahead and press it, so I'm just going to show you how to customize it and how to use the built-in action button. Alright, so let's go ahead and press it. So if you press, you notice it identifies to say ring. All right, so if you press again, it will only say ring, meaning that the phone is actually in ring mode. Now if you press and hold it, so for example, it will place the device into silent mode, as you can see on the island. So if you go ahead and ring this device right now, what would happen is that it would not ring, it would be on silent mode. All right, so this is the update in terms of there's no longer a toggle to switch to the left or the right. It's simple as single button, so long press or press once depending on the situation. All right, so that button as well can be reprogrammed. So for example, let me turn this off, and as you see, if you long press again, it goes back to the ring profile. All right, so it does the same thing as before. Now in case of this action button, you can actually program it to whatever you want. All right, so to do that, we're going to go into your settings. All right, so once you're in your settings here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for the option. It says action button right there. So of course, hit action button and you'll see it right now that it's set to silent mode, which is switch to silent mode and ring for calls and alerts. So I can switch between basically silent or I'll have the device ring out loud. Now, the fun thing about this is that this button can be reprogrammed. For example, I can have it to activate the focus. I can have it to activate the camera, not necessarily there's a dedicated camera button already here. The flashlight, can do voice memos, it can do recognize music, it can do translate, and you get the idea, magnifier, and there's a whole bunch of stuff here. If you use all of these features, you can basically have it do anything that you would normally do on your phone more conveniently. All right, so that's a great customization option. All right, so we're going to set it to the torch. So I can go back. It's now set to the torch. So for example, notice the torch is off. So let's see what's happening on the back here. So if I press, nothing much. So one press, nothing. All right, but check this out, guys. If I one press on the front, notice it says the torch is off. So the one press usually tells what's happening. All right, so check this out. So if I long press, oh, sorry about that. So if I long press, there you go, the torch is turned on, and you notice the torch in the island right here. So you can see I can mess with the intensity here of the torch and all of that as normal. All right, so if you need the torch very conveniently, you can actually add it to that button. All right, so I'm going to turn it off, and there you go, it says torch off. And it's very easy to set it back to its previous function. So go ahead and go to action button and you can slide it all the way back over here and it will be returned to its normal function of activating the silent mode. There you go. All right, so do hope that shows you one, action button, what it does and how to customize it to do whatever you would like. All right, so that's you can go ahead and explore that on your own, or of course you can watch out for other tutorials on this whole action button. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.